How do you use this damn car? Alright, let me go ahead and start this thing. Alright, so got me a brand super old Lexus IS300 2004, 226,000 miles. Holy cow. Video for this weekend is going to be, what in the world is this light on the dash? Alright, the check engine light's on too, but I'll get that, I'll get to that in a different video. So, that guy right there, what that is that is a indicator for the headlight leveling system is malfunctioning. And I'm going to try to see if I can fix it for free. Alright, so if you have a really high-end scan tool, you can use one of those and figure out what's going on. Basically, you're going to turn it on, hook it up, turn it on, and run a little diagnostic with the scan tool, which you probably don't have if you're watching this video. So what the deal is going to be is on the driver's side front wheel and back wheel, it actually has height level sensors. A lot of cars have this, a lot of luxury cars have these, okay? And what they're for is they do a lot of things. One of the things it does in this car, or the only thing it does in this car, is it actually will level the headlights when you're going down the road. Like if you have a whole bunch of crap in the back, it can pick that up and adjust the headlights for you. Luxury, right? So these sensors, especially on this Lexus, okay, in the front you have one right here. And it's gonna be this guy here, okay, and it's a little lever and it's controlled with the control arm. And you have one in the back, right? And the back one is, let's see if I can't really get my camera in there right now, but it's running all crazy. Back one is right on the other side of that sway bar right there. That white box back there. And hopefully I don't have to even touch that one, because usually it's the front one that you have problems with. This car is so freaking old that it might be the back one. So what typically happens is these guys live in a really bad spot because you end up with water, dirt, crap. And what happens is the connection gets corroded or dirty. Same thing with inside the actual sensor. So what you can do is you can actually take it apart, like take it off, take it apart, try to clean it up, see if it's corroded, see if it's dirty, put it back together, see if the light turns off. If this doesn't work, I go to the back one, do the same thing. If that doesn't work, off to the salvage yard I go. So this one's just held in with some 10 millimeters. This whole car is probably held together with 10 millimeters, but hello. Go ahead and do this one. 10mm that holds the arm. What you want to do is you don't want to get this all twisted up backwards because it's not going to work so good. You might break it. I don't know. I'm just trying to move around too much. And basically, what you want to do is get it where you can look at it. Take the connector off of it, and I might open it up. So the arm is keywayed, so it's a little sensor. Okay, it's keywayed. So alright, so here you go. Okay, so put it in there like this, and these guys get all gooped up. So it's on there. Alright, that's full of dust. Look at that. So I'll hit it with some brake clean, or if you have some electronics parts cleaner, you can spray it in there, but I'll just hit it with some brake clean, and then open up this cover and see what it looks like in there. So it actually looks pretty good. There's no corrosion in it. So that means I'm probably going to the back. Great. What you can do is try to move these up a little bit. Did it real easy. Try to clean them off a little bit. It doesn't take much. Looks good. Not dirty or anything. It's a little dirty right there. Just put it back together. A little bitty. Alright, so I'm going ahead and lowered ahead and lowered the car down, put the wheels back on it. Okay, turn the key forward. Okay, lights out. Okay, turn the lights on. Okay. It does its check, tries to do its thing. I don't think that's gonna fix it. Yeah, light's still on. Alright, probably gonna have to check out the back. Alright, so that's the rear sensor right there. I'm gonna try to clean the connector. I don't know, maybe I can take it apart right here. But actually having to take it off, I don't know, but looks like I also need a shock. That one seems to be blown. I know the rear pads are gone, so I'm going to do some rear pads on this thing pretty soon. So I'm going to pull that connector off and see how much dirt comes out of that. Right. Push, pull, oh yeah. Alright. A little bit of corrosion up in there, I don't know.
Aren't very tight, so they're not really sealed up really good. So, probably look pretty good, but in there.
Alright, we'll put the wheel back on and lower it and see if that remedies our problem. I have a feeling from the way it looked it's not going to. I might need a scan tool. Or I can just grab a couple of these next time I go to the picture pool. So, let's see what happens. Alright, we're gonna try this one more time. Got problems. Alright, so cleaning the leveling sensors did not work. So I was able to pick up a rear and front sensor from my local pick apart or pick and pull. And they were crazy cheap, so I ended up throwing these on and seeing if these work. What I did notice is when I was taking this one off the junkyard car, was this one when you actually turn the lever, you actually hear it in there. Mine, you can't really hear anything, so that might be what the issue was, is that mine are just completely worn out. And on these units here, you can actually hear the sensor in there. You can actually hear it. Okay, I don't know if that makes any sense or not, but I'll throw these on and see if I can get that freaking light to turn off. Alright, I hope that did it. Let's see here. I'm gonna get some of these freaking lights to turn off. Woohoo! Alright, that seemed to do it. So, yeah, I still have the check engine light on and the traction light. It's got a couple other codes. But as far as the headlight leveling, fixed. Alright, yeah, and I went to my local pick apart and picked those parts up off the super crash Lexus. I ended up getting some sway bars for it also, O2 sensor. One of the codes is for inefficient cat, the 420 code I think. I'm going to try O2 sensor because the data is kind of showing me that the O2 sensor is really weak. But that's going to be another video. I might end up getting a manifold from the junkyard. That's going to be another video. But hey, if you learned anything from this video, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more on this Lexus and what I have plans for it. I'm going to be doing some sway bars on it pretty soon. So, But yeah, if you need, I'll leave a link down for a brand new headlight leveling. Actuators too for the front and rear if you want to get brand new ones. But like, I picked those parts up at the junkyard. I picked them up for $4 a piece. So the whole thing is $8. Can't beat that. All right, you guys take care, be safe, and have a great weekend.